Hey friends, let's take a look at this ultra tiny welder. This, what is this called? A Sefaspe? I don't know. This is a teeny tiny 110 volt. So you just plug it into a regular household outlet inverter welder that you use little sticks with. They give you some sticks. They give you the brush and a little hammer thing. They give you your neutral clamp or your negative clamp or your earth clamp, whatever you call it. And they give you your electrode holder. Let's just plug this thing in and see if it'll weld something. This is so stinking small. Look at how small it is compared to my head. About the same size. It's gonna like fit in under the seat of your truck. Let's just try it out with welding real quick here. Okay, so this thing has one setting. Up or down. That's the way I like it. Stupid and simple. It's got pictures on the front that tell you what goes where. No words, just pictures. I like that. What I'm going to do is I'm going to weld two horseshoes together. Why am I welding two horseshoes together? I don't know. That's just what I had laying around. Let's do it. All right, how do we do? Well, we're doing good. Two horseshoes are welded together. Look at that, that's a nice W. Maybe a number 3 or an E or something. It could be an M if you're like me and your name's Micah. All right, this thing works pretty good. I'm happy with it. It welds stuff to other stuff.